All right, guys, week 5, day 4, and we're looking at our DLR. Now let's take a look at this. Ready? It says, a man on TV said, let's get that out of the way. A man on TV said that it's raining cats and dogs, so I run outside to look. First of all, it's raining cats and dogs. What is that? Did it literally rain cats and dogs?
No.
What does that mean?
It's like raining hard.
It's raining hard. You're right, Richard. And rating a little phrase like a raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs out. That's called an idiom. Remember that one. We're going to learn about this. All right. What's the first thing you see wrong about this? Wow. All right, Bobby, your hand shot up like it's spraying. Go ahead. So I runned outside, Bobby.
Ran.
Yeah, it should be ran. Let me. Side. Okay, so there's one down. What's another one? Oh, I see one. Would you say for its? Could you say it like this? A man on TV said that it is raining cats and dogs. You could, right? You could, right? Does that plug in the right way? It is? Guys? Yes? Good. Okay, so that means it's a contraction, which means it should be IT apostrophe S, because you contracted it and is to its. A man on TV said, it's raining cats and dogs, and so I ran outside to look. I'm thinking, said that it's raining cats and dogs. We need something before that conjunction. Why? Well, first of all, what's the conjunction? Who can point out the conjunction? Yeah, right here, Addison Paul. And would be a conjunction, but not in this sentence. Because that and is part of the idiom, the phrase, so no. There's another conjunction that splits up the sentence. Let me show you why. But first I want you to point it out. Yes.
But.
Yes, but there's no but in the sentence, is there?
There is.
A man on TV said that it's raining cats and dogs, so I ran outside to look.
There should be
a comma before the conjunction so, right? So the conjunction here in this sentence is so, correct? Let me show you something real quick. I is the subject. What did I do? What did I do?
I ran.
I ran outside to look. That whole thing is the predicate, right? How about this? A man on TV, that's the subject. What did he do? What did he do or say? What did he do, Bobby?
He
said it's raining cats and dogs. That's the predicate, right? So there's two complete sentences joined together by this conjunction and that comma. That's why we do that. But how many corrections were there in this? We have it's, we have the comma and here and through. So 3 it looks like, right? All right. Let's take a look at this next one. Ready? My sister said, it can't really rain cats and dogs, but once it rains frogs in England. That's a true story, I think.
It is a true story.
Yes, it is. All right. My sister said, it can't really rain cats and dogs, but once it rains frogs in England. It's hard to even say that one because it's so messed up. All right. Starting with you, Dubik. What do you see wrong here?
For rains, it should be rained.
It should be rained, right? So let's get rid of that S and put RAINED. All right. It really, so my sister said it can't really rain cats and dogs, but once it rained frogs in England. We need something else here, yes.
The E in England needs to be capitalized.
It most certainly does because it's a place, it's a proper noun. Elizabeth, there's one word in here that was contracted together. It was brought together.
Can't.
Yes, and so what do I need? Yes, Elizabeth, we need an apostrophe. My sister said it can't really rain cats and dogs, but once it rained frogs in England. Okay, so we have another situation. We have another situation where there's a conjunction. What is the conjunction, James Jordan?
The conjunction is but.
The conjunction is but. And what do we need before that conjunction?
A comma.
We sure do. And so there we have it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 corrections in that one. Yes, sir. Yes, we're. Hey, where's the tagline? Just for funsies, who can tell me the tagline in this sentence? The tagline tells you who is speaking. So where's the tagline? Yes, sir.
Between it.
The tagline is our words. Right. Where's the tagline? What is it? Read it. Read the tagline. It says it says who's speaking. What's the tagline? It tells you who's.
Sister.
My sister
Said.
That's the tagline. My sister said is the tagline. The tagline's always separated from the speaking part with a comma. You see that? You seeing it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Explain what the underline. Oh, look at that. I didn't even see this. You guys think I was being tricky, but I swear to God, I did not see this. Explain what the underlying idiom means. Okay. So we know what raining cats and dogs really meant. Richard Hibbs told us that it really doesn't mean it's raining cats and dogs, but it means it's raining hard outside, right? So then what does this one mean? I don't know if it can rain frogs, but once when I tried to sing, I had a frog in my throat. Did she really have a frog jammed down in her throat? It means what, Ava?
Your voice is kind of like cracky.
It means that your voice, you have a scratchy voice, right?
Stop.
Okay.
That does not sound
So rain is to weather as dog is to. Rain is to weather as dog is to.
cat.
No.
Play.
Rain is just part of weather. There's rain, snow, sleet, hail, fog. All those things are part of weather. But dogs, rain is to weather as a dog is to. Huh? Hard? Animal. Who said animal?
Richard and me.
Animal. Very good, Richard. I heard him. I heard someone say it over here. That's good. Animal. Very good. All right. There is your DLR for week 5, day 4. Tadero out.